this side as well. So they have Sky Harbour Hotel. Okay, that's the name of the hotel that's going to be there. J&J Pharmacy, Spirits Expression, Blue but what? Liz Royal. Liz Royal Beauty Bar Spa. What that's NMAIM commercial. Okay. And why me can't make out the word there? What that Dave's? What is that? DA, is that V apostrophe S, or is that there isn't a dot over it, so it's not an I? Dav's Authentic Design Boutique. I'm not sure. Let's look over this side if they fill out this one. Over here. Ah, no, it's not filled out. So we have YISS. That looks like a child. CC Caribbean Dream Stores, New City Restaurant, Crocs, Rainbow Stores, DA apostrophe Rig Game Center, iSpecs Appeal Jamaica Limited, Style Shack, UGL Universal Grooming Lounge, Hummingbird Coffee House. All right. This is really hurting my spirits. Why North Gully looks so bad? Well, somebody looks like they're cleaning up.